Imagine spending your entire life looking at something as a negative, really bad thing, and something to stay away from. For example, drugs and abuse of substances. Well, someone turns to you and tells you that it could be super helpful and aid in a disease or a hard fought battle with illness that you're having. I'm referring to medical marijuana. Throughout generations, there have been multiple diseases well known to society for their detrimental and even fatal effects. Their marijuana has been proven to help aid with some of the side effects from these diseases. Examples being multiple sclerosis, cancer, AIDS, HIV, epilepsy. Marijuana is a typically psychoactive plant-based drug used most stereotypically by youth for recreational purposes. But perhaps it's been painted in the wrong picture in society's majority. It can also serve a very positive purpose. I don't give this speech to advocate for or against the use of medical marijuana. I simply want to state some facts. For the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you what I've found pertaining to medical marijuana's effects on the human illnesses. I may also refer to it as cannabis or medical cannabis. Use of medical marijuana dates back much farther than the 60s. In a book published by Robert Deitch in 2003, Hemp, American History Revisited, The Plant with a Divided History, it can be traced back as far as 2900 BC, where Chinese Emperor Fu Shi references its medicinal popularity in his empire. Cannabis prescriptions were used in 1213 BC as well for glaucoma, inflammation, and administering of enemas. In 1840s, marijuana became mainstream medicine by medically renowned Dr. Joseph Moreau. Moreau, who was a French psychiatrist, found that marijuana suppressed headaches, increased appetite, and helped with insomnia. Moreau was a very popular doctor and psychiatrist who helped push marijuana into the medical field of study. Medicinal marijuana is presently widely used across the world, even gaining popularity in America for various illnesses. In an article by Cannabo.com, or an article on Cannabo.com by Stacy Carrier, published in November of 2017, it was said most reputably, medicinal marijuana is prescribed for cancer patients to combat weight loss, anorexia, and nausea caused by chemotherapy. Another disorder that ails many people is epilepsy. Medicinal marijuana products are used to mitigate seizures brought on by epilepsy, most commonly CBD products, which I'll get to in a minute. Medicinal cannabis is also frequently used to help treat side effects from physical injuries, such as nerve damage from spinal injuries. I suffered from a spinal injury in high school and was referenced to CBD from multiple neurospecialists. If you're as curious as I am, you'd like to know how medicinal marijuana is accomplishing these remedies to these various ailments. In a article on WebMD.com by Neil Lava, MD, in December of 2018, cannabinoids. These are the big hitters. The active ingredients of marijuana, these are the ones similar to the chemicals that our body produces to control appetite, memory, pain, and movement. One of the two main chemicals in marijuana, or these two cannabinoids that are as potent to our body, is tetrahydrocannabinol, or most commonly heard as THC. This chemical is the cause of psychoactive results produced when you consume this plant or its products, often causing a sense of euphoria. THC is the most popular cannabinoid in marijuana, seeing the results in movies and media dramatized. Cannabidiol, the other of the two cannabinoids that are the main ingredients to THC and THC byproduct, or not THC, marijuana and marijuana medical byproducts. Cannabidiol is the non-psychoactive compound in marijuana. This is the most commonly used product of the plant, specifically for its lack of mental state effects. It doesn't cause a euphoric or psychoactive effect on your perspective and your bearing. In conclusion, medical cannabis has a very large applicability to treating various illnesses society faces every day. I've shared with you notable history of medical cannabis, some examples of illnesses that it can be used to treat, and how it accomplishes these things. This has been my informative speech. Thank you.